Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Subject Science, Grade 5, Chapter number 7, Weather Patterns. Lesson number 1, the atmosphere and the weather. Page number 366. Today's vocabulary: layers of the atmosphere, weather, and air pressure. We will see one by one all these. So let's start today's lesson. First here, what are the layers of the atmosphere? The atmosphere forms 5 layers. You can count here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of gases around the earth. These layers around the earth. The layers of gases closest to the earth's surface is called the troposphere. This one, the first one layer. This closest to the earth, or you can say that touches the earth, is named as troposphere. The troposphere is 8 to 18 kilometer thick. The thickness of the troposphere is greatest at the equator and smallest at the pole. If you move towards the equator, its thickness is more as compared to towards the poles. So these the 5 layers that around the earth are here. The layer of atmosphere that we divide into 5 layers, this earth. So this are our atmosphere's layers. These are 5 in numbers. So let's see one by one all of them. Above the troposphere are the stratosphere, then mesosphere, after that thermosphere, and the last is exosphere. You can see here. This is the troposphere, then stratosphere, second one, third one is mesosphere, above the mesosphere is thermosphere, and the last one is exosphere. As the height above Earth increases, the number of particles of gases in the atmosphere decreases. Very easy to understand. As we move up above the Earth's surface and go towards the layers, first layer, second, third, the number of particles of gases become reduced, and you can say that here minimum or no. The exosphere began at about 640 kilometer and end at about 10,000 kilometer. This is the thickness of the exosphere. Above Earth's surface, the particles of gases in the exosphere are very far apart. Or you can say that the gas particles or the other particles present here are far away from each other. Weather. What is weather? Weather is the condition of the troposphere at a particular time and place. It means that this a condition in which temperature, you can say that, or the condition of hotness or coolness will change according to the place as well as with time. Almost all weather occur in the troposphere. You can say that the weather that change all happened or occur in only troposphere. Weather can be hot or cold, wet and dry, calm or stormy, and sunny or cloudy. So you can see there the different types of weather. I try to show you here in the slides so you can observe that hot, cold, cloudy, sunny, like this. So all mentioned here. Factors that affect weather. Factors that affect weather include temperature, wind, and cloud cover. When the sun's energy hits Earth, about 50% of the insolation is absorbed, and Earth's surface, about 5% of energy formed insolation is reflected by Earth's surface. So the sun energy that travel, first of all, the 50% of sun heat or energy is absorbed by insolation. Then the 5% insolation is reflected by Earth's surface. Only the 5% will reflected towards the Earth's surface. What happened to the rest of the energy? Clouds may absorb or reflect the remaining 45% of the sun's energy. So these clouds, they can reflect, or you can say that absorb almost 45% of the sun energy. Air pressure. What is air pressure? The air particle in the atmosphere press on Earth's surface and on all things they surround. The force put on a given area by weight of the air above it is called air pressure. So you can see there the gravity and how the layers near to the earth they put the pressure. At sea level, the average air pressure is 1.04 kilogram per square centimeter, or you can mention like this, or 14.7 pounds per square inch in this way. You can think of this as the weight of a column of air pressing on a patch of Earth's surface about the size of your thumbnail. You don't feel this weight because atmospheric pressure pushes in all directions and the pressure and puts balance each other. So from everywhere, if this happened, what happened? You didn't feel the pressure. Even though air looks empty, it contains a mixture of gases such as nitrogen and oxygen. You can tell that air takes up space because it fills up blimps, balloons and cars or bike tires. Thanks for